Mm-hmm. Okay. That was ooh, my head. What's up, guys? Y'all already know who it is. And if you're new here, it's iamlashondacapri. And yes, I'm not in the beauty room today. I am with my wonderful... Who are you, babe?
Boss. Man of the house.
The man in the house, aka known as the husband, daddy. We are going to try to do this TikTok, this viral TikTok, Dalgona, foam coffee, smooth coffee. I don't really know what it's called, guys. We're gonna attempt to make it together.
I use 2 tablespoons instant coffee.
Yeah, it's gotta be instant coffee, right?
I use 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of hot water.
And then you gotta whisk. Guys, if y'all have a blender, you can use a blender too, right, babe?
A mixer.
A mixer. I'm sorry, I said blender. I mean a mixer. We're gonna hand this back off to my husband because, yeah, this is hurt my hand. One more. Okay, guys. I know some people put ice in it, but this is pretty cold, so hubby chose almond milk. All right, but you gonna taste first or me?
Me.
Okay.
I don't like them.
You're gonna think it's disgusting.
That's strong. Could use some more sugar. Gotta mix it up a bit.
Okay, let me try it. You mixing it up? Okay, try it again when you mix it up. Would you buy it? Like, if it was a drink that was at Starbucks or something, would you buy
No.
it? Okay, let me try.
I don't like coffee. I gotta crave coffee and then it gotta be very sweet. That's still strong.
No lie. That's actually not bad. It's strong, but it's not bad. You say you need more sugar? I think it's good.
Nah, it needs more sugar.
Okay. That was a tad strong. Yeah. That was strong. So, babe, would this have failed or you like it? Would you like it or not?
This is I guess this is a pass.
No
Because
pass?
it's supposed to taste like it. This is what's supposed to taste like. Would I drink it on a daily basis? No.
Yeah.
Because I don't like coffee.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Well, you like my coffee when I make us coffee, don't you?
Of course.
I make coffee for us sometimes, and it's good anyway. He's not gonna waste this, guys. That's why he is drinking it. He's not gonna waste it. He don't care how bad it tastes. He doesn't like wasting stuff.
Nope. Get my money's worth.
So I'm gonna rate this at about a 3.
Out of what, 50?
Out of 10. He's right. He can actually use a little bit more sugar. I don't know if trying it with almond milk. I don't know if trying it with almond milk is what making it taste different. You think? No, it shouldn't matter.
This coffee is strong.
Yeah, it's strong. So guys, go ahead and do this at home. Try it by yourself. We just bought some little packets of Fogger's coffee because, like he said, we don't drink coffee. Yeah, we don't drink coffee that much. I'm gonna give this a 3, babe. What you gonna give it?
I give it a 1.
Oh,
I
1?
don't like coffee.
Really?
If I enjoy coffee, I give it about a 6. I give it a 4.
Okay. So yeah, if y'all want to try it,
instead of 2 tablespoons of sugar, add 4.
Yeah.
2 tablespoons coffee, 4 sugar.
Yeah.
That'd probably be decent. I choose almond milk just because it's healthier.
If you want to try this with your spouse or whoever or by yourself, 84 cents. You don't want to waste no money on a whole pack of coffee because your girl sure didn't.
Yeah, start with this.
Yeah.
You don't drink coffee or else you're going to have a big old thing of coffee.
Exactly.
Waste.
Exactly. That pretty much wraps up this video, guys. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. Share it. Comment down below if you got any content ideas. Make sure you watch my previous. Make sure you watch my previous video. And I think that's it. I'll see you guys, like I always say, in my what, babe?
Your next freaking video?
Next freaking video.
Took me a minute. Sorry.
Peace out. Bye.